Well, hello and welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions utopian, the sun is high in the sky, it's a truly beautiful afternoon, and the crowd reflect that. Their faces hopeful, their smiles beaming, levels of excitement and expectation are soaring, and you get the... Can he put it away? A wonderful effort, all by himself.
Highland really has just learned the lesson there. Your focus cannot lapse, even slightly.
Now it's Rashford. He's picked his way through. Now it's Bruno Fernandes. And he welcomes it in. Pablo Sarabia. Dawson did just about enough to come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. Oh, that's well spotted. And they can counter here. Rashford. Oh, super, hits one! And he's really put himself on the line here. Manchester United with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. Wolverhampton can start a counter here. Bruno Fernandes. So a third of the match, or thereabouts, gone, and we still await the first goal. Messi. Can he finish? It's loose, and the follow-up. Goal! Manchester United! And just like that, he's into double figures now. Bruno Fernandes at his razor-sharp best there.
Listen, he would have been advised to do that as a kid, and it's obviously etched in his mind now.
21 minutes is number 8, Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes. Bruno Fernandes.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, that gives them the privilege to control the tempo of the game. It's up to them to manage it from here now.
Cleared away. They're back in possession and ready to go again. Casemiro. Matheus Cunha. And the two sides separated by the game's only breakthrough moment to this point. And the score is 1-0. Well, the idea was a good one. The execution of it, not quite so.
Encourage the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. Casemiro. Oh, that's a key interception. De Ligt. It's Davis. Forwards and with intent.
They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
Can he get away here? Messi. Messi making good progress on the right-hand side. Højlund. He's got away. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest.
2 added minutes have
De
been
Ligt
indicated.
spots it and intercepts. Bruno Fernandes into double figures for career goals now. And that'll be the final action of the first half. So the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments. There's been no shortage of talking points, but there has been just...
Substitution on the field. Number 14, Casemiro.
Here we go again then.
Number 10, Messi.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Fernandes. Coming on the field, number 21.
Wolverhampton needed that. They really needed it.
17.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
Eduardo Camavinga. Number 15, Rodrigo.
That's too long. He's only too happy to take that back. Picked out brilliantly. There's the shot! He scores! Two to the good! They have breathing space!
Yeah, they were made to pay for not moving the ball smartly enough through a very strong pressing wave.
Manchester United grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
We're looking at a very different game now. The command has been established.
Well cut out. No margin for error there at all.
Well, they've stamped some authority on things, but how much more authority can be generated?
50.
Dybala. Diogo Dalot. Hoyland. Murray. And the counter is on. And they're not going to make any further progress now. Dawson kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. De Paul. Chip through. He's on. There's the hit!
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Diogo Dalot. Back into the middle. And he's quick to get it clear again. Shifted upfield. And the pass is intercepted. Can he spark a counter here? He could be in here. Now it's Matheus Cunha. Diogo Dalot gets good distance on it. Now, what about a counter-attack? Oh, now here's an interesting matchup.
It's a decent chance to counter-attack.
Matheus Cunha. In the end, they found themselves penned in. Nowhere to go. Manchester United do have a chance to counter here. Camavinga. It's a sweet ball, that. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Oh, well played, well sorted out. Hoyland. Manchester United finding their passes. Hoyland! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball.
Added time.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
Fiddles it through. So that's it. It is all over. Manchester United can reflect on a job really well done. Superior tactically, physically and mentally, all round the better side. It turned into a very, very smooth ride. Hoyland taking in the accolades, having been named man of the match, and deservedly so. Well, what are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Manchester United were very impressive here, Peter. The backbone of this team is so strong, and it proved to be the decisive area.
That's it for today. Thank you, Jim, and goodbye.